Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image in Figma. So of course, firstly, let us open up a project. I will open this one. It's just a blank one to show you guys. And now guys, it's pretty simple. The interface is not hard at all. So on the top left, click on the drop down, go File, and then just press on Place Image. And of course, choose the image from your PC. Okay, so for example, I will add this image and just place it. And now as you can see, my image is successfully placed. And of course you can resize it if you want. Just use these corner buttons in here that you can just, as you can see, utilize to resize. And yeah, your image is now added, and you can of course add some more if you want to maybe present them, maybe put some here, some here. Yeah, just up to you guys. So enjoy, very easily done. If this helped, don't forget to support us with a thumbs up and a subscription.